What's going on, everyone? Devin here. If you're a software developer in 2023, you know things are moving fast. But there's one trend that's not slowing down: AI. So in this video, we're diving deep into why adding ML skills to your developer toolkit is essential for staying ahead of the curve. Think about the apps you use every day. Chances are, many of them are already powered by some form of AI. Your music streaming service recommends songs, e-commerce sites personalize your shopping experience, even your email inbox filters out spam. As AI becomes more sophisticated, we're going to see it integrated into pretty much every aspect of software. Knowing how to leverage AI and ML is no longer a nice-to-have. It's becoming essential for building the next generation of applications. Let's say you're building a fitness tracking app. With some ML magic, it could analyze sleep patterns, activity levels, and diet to create personalized workout and nutrition plans. So if you're serious about building truly innovative software, understanding ML is no longer optional. Now you might be thinking, Devin, ML sounds complicated, but here's the good news. As software developers, we already have a lot of the foundational skills needed to jump into ML. We're already comfortable with coding, debugging, algorithms, data structures. All of these concepts translate directly into the world of ML. An ML engineering course bridges the gap, showing you how to apply your programming skills to building, training, and deploying machine learning models. You'll learn about different ML algorithms like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. The point is, you're not starting from scratch. You're building on a solid foundation of skills that you've already developed as a developer. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room: career prospects. The demand for skilled ML engineers is exploding right now, and it's only going to increase in the coming years. By adding ML skills to your resume, you're not just future-proofing your career, you're opening doors to a whole new world of opportunities. We're talking about roles like machine learning engineer, data scientist, AI specialist, and more. These are high-impact, high-paying roles that are at the forefront of innovation. So, if you're looking for a way to take your career to the next level, ML engineering is the way to go. Now, I know some online courses can feel a bit, well, theoretical. But trust me, a well-designed ML engineering course is all about practicality. It's about taking you from understanding the fundamentals to actually building and deploying ML models that solve real-world problems. You'll work on projects that mimic real-world scenarios, like building a recommendation engine, developing a fraud detection system, or creating a chatbot. And the best part? You'll have a portfolio of projects that you can show off to potential employers. So, if you're ready to get your hands dirty and start building some cool stuff with ML, I highly recommend checking out a reputable ML engineering course. Look, the tech landscape is constantly evolving, and the rise of AI is one of the biggest shifts we've seen in a long time. By diving into the world of ML engineering, you're setting yourself up for a future where you're not just keeping up, you're ahead of the game. If you're ready to take that step, check out resources like the Machine Learning Engineering course for software developers. The demand is there, the opportunity is there. The only question is, are you in?